In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to change audio language in YouTube videos. Now you can change the audio language to the preferred language that you want other than English. So let me quickly show you the process of doing it. Now the one thing that you need to remember is that before you do it, all the videos would not have the option of changing the audio. Only those creators who have allowed this option, and only those videos you can do it for. So I've just opened up a Mr. Beast video. Mr. Beast does have this feature turned on or this feature applied. What you do is tap on the top right of the screen, which is the gear icon. Once you do, you'll have an option of audio track. You can tap on it and you can choose from all of these languages that are showing. And you can hear a dubbed audio for the video that you selected. As I earlier said, you cannot find this option on every other YouTube video. If the creator has added in the audio languages, you'll be able to see that feature. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.